Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business in 2020 and beyond. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer hating my 9 to 5 to starting a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. If you don't know who I am, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and basically I started my affiliate marketing business May of 2019. You can check my YouTube channel. I started my business, and within 9 months I was able to quit my electrical engineering job and do this full time. I'm now a 6-figure affiliate marketer, hopefully 7-figure one day, but I want to show you step by step how you can start an affiliate marketing business for a cup of coffee, like $3 a month. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do in this step-by-step guide. This is going to be the best step-by-step guide that I have ever come out with. This is going to be absolutely free to you guys. I'm going to show you how to use this guide and how you can get started with this business. Guys, this has changed my life. Affiliate marketing has changed my life because you don't need a product to get started. You can choose a niche in whatever you're interested in, right? If you're interested in like fitness, or if you're interested in how to make money online or woodworking, whatever it is, it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you the framework and how you can apply it to your business and get started. Guys, this is going to be a complete guide. Why am I doing this for free? Because I don't need the money anymore. I want to do this for you guys so you guys can take this guide and start making money with affiliate marketing. Now, I will tell you, just 100% transparent, affiliate marketing is not easy, okay? Like, it's easy to get started, like the concept is easy. The thing that's hard is that it takes time to build, right? It takes time to start a business and scale it. Now, if you stick with it, if you stick with affiliate marketing, it will change your life. I promise you, if you're consistent with affiliate marketing, you're gonna do well. I promise you that. You have to be consistent. Now, for me, I was able to go from, from my electrical engineering job to a 6-figure affiliate marketer within 9 months. I'm not saying that's going to happen to you. It could take 6 months. It could take 5 years, but it really doesn't matter, right? If you can start a business from beginning to end and leave a job that you hate to get that time freedom, isn't it worth it? That's why I want to tell you that. I want to show you how I started my business and how you can get started too. So let me go ahead and show you my screen. I'm going to show you how you can get this free course, how you can get this guide, so you can get started with your 6-figure affiliate marketing business. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me just share my screen, guys. Okay, so here's the free course, guys. This is going to be a complete guide on how to start your business, okay? I wrote this up so you guys can literally take this and start your business. I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get started. I literally laid out everything that you need, absolutely free. This is 100% free. You don't even need to enter your email address. Now, the way you get this is if you go to the link down below inside of the YouTube video, down below in the description, you'll be able to access this, okay? If not, you can go to my website, johnpassiveincomelifestyles.com/affiliate marketing course. Then you could access it that way as well, okay? Now, what this is, it's just a complete guide from A to Z, right? You got step 1, step 2, step 3. So I'm just going to walk you through how to use this guide. And then, of course, the actual details are within the course, okay? So this is a guide here. I kind of explain, what everything is, how everything works. The first thing that you can do, guys, you can enter your email right here. You don't have to do this, but if you want to enter your email, you're going to get daily guides and reminders on how you can start your affiliate marketing business, okay? This is just going to give you that accountability, okay? Another tool that I'm giving you absolutely free is you have support inside of my Facebook group, okay? You're going to get help from me and others inside of my Facebook group. So if you go to my group, Passive Income Lifestyles, you'll see that we have almost 3,000 members of affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, people looking to leave their 9-to-5 job and start this business, okay? So this is a group of like-minded entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers that are helping each other, okay? So this is a tool that I want you to use. If you get stuck in this guide, you can ask a question, and either me or someone on my team or just someone inside of the membership area will be able to help you, okay? So I want you to join that group if you want that extra support, okay? So that's the first thing, okay? Now, step 1, okay, we're going to choose our niche. This is really important, guys. So when you're doing affiliate marketing, like I said, you can do this with whatever you want, right? You can do this with, the dog niche, if you like dogs, if you like hunting, if you like woodworking, making money online. It really doesn't matter. I just want you to choose a niche on something that you're passionate about, right? Something that you're not going to quit. Because the thing that I've noticed is, people will pick a niche that maybe they're not passionate about, or maybe just pick it because there's a lot of money involved. But then, later on down the road, when things get hard, when like I said, this is not easy, right? When things get hard, they're not doing something they're passionate about, and then that's when they actually quit, right? So I want you to pick a niche that you're passionate about and that you love talking about, and that you don't care about getting paid right away. Because, like I said, I want to be 100% transparent. You're not gonna get money right away. You have to build up that. You have to build up that website. You have to build up that content, and then later on, all the fruits of all the work that you've been doing, you're gonna get paid. Okay, and I guarantee you will start making money if you're consistent. Okay, but it all starts with the niche. This is the foundation, right? So for me, my niche is I teach people how to do make money online with affiliate marketing, right? That's my niche. Okay, but I have a ton of niches here that you can choose from, right? There's the wealth niche, there's the health niche, but you want to go more specific, right? Let's just say you're in the health niche, right? There's diets, there's keto, paleo, vegan, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so I give you a ton of options here. Now, another way that you can choose your niche is you can go to a website called clickbank.com. Now, I like to go to Clickbank just to see if there's products that I can be an affiliate for, right? So you can see there's a bunch of different categories here: cooking, e-business, education. So if we go to cooking, we can see if there's products within this niche. Okay, so let me sign in real quick. But yeah, so if you go to Clickbank, you can see, okay, is there even products that are, I don't know why it's not letting me sign in here. Is there products that we can sell? Okay, look, so if we go to cooking, food, and wine, there's keto resources, keto sweets, fat burning kitchen. So there's a ton of products. So I like to start on Clickbank just to see if there's different offers, different products that we can promote. Okay, this will kind of help, right? So let's just say there's a niche that you're not sure if you can be an affiliate for, right? Go to Clickbank and let's just see if there's products that you can sell, right? That's kind of where I get started with. So once you choose your niche, guys, then we go to step 2. Now, I will tell you, I want you to watch all these videos. Each one of these videos are specifically for that step, right? So step 1, I want you to watch this video, okay? It's a long video, but this is absolutely free to you guys, okay? This is gonna be free, so you guys can literally look at these videos and take action step by step, okay? So that's step 1, is we choose our niche, okay? Step 2, now that we choose our niche, now we need a website, okay? You have to have a website when you're doing affiliate marketing. I do have videos on my YouTube channel where I teach you how to do affiliate marketing without a website, okay? I will tell you right now, you have to have a website if you want to be a legit affiliate marketer, okay? I mean, there's ways to do it without a website, but that's not long term, guys. I 100% recommend that you get a website, because if you don't have a website, I don't think you really have a business, right? You don't really own anything, right? You're just, putting stuff out there, and you just don't have a website. You have to have that foundation before you get started, okay? Now, getting a website is really important, okay? So now we have our website. Step 2, inside of my course here, that you can go to this, you can go here and see if your domain is available, okay? So for example, if you, if you're in the health niche, right? So Jonathan's healthy reviews, okay? So as we can see here, that Jonathan's healthy review is available. So all you got to do is hit next here, and it's going to take you to this screen here, okay? So it's going to allow you to create your account inside of Bluehost, okay? Then you'll have your domain and your hosting done all in one, okay? A lot of people will teach you need a domain, and then you need a hosting platform, and then you can merge them together. I want to make this as easy as possible for you, especially since you're just starting out. This is going to be super, super easy, because all you got to do is just fill this out, and you're going to have a domain and a website and a hosting all in one, okay? This is all going to be done for you, okay? So once you fill out your information here, you can just, enter your basic information. You choose your account plan. I highly recommend you do the 36th month. So you're basically paying $142 for a business for 3 years, okay? You're literally gonna have this website for 3 years, okay? And that's it, okay? It's like less than $4 per month, okay? You can uncheck everything here besides like the top here if you want to keep that domain privacy, okay? Just enter your information. And then on the next screen, and then remember guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in step number 4, like how to actually build the website. I'm just showing you how to do this with this guide, okay? Now, the next screen is going to allow you to build your website within WordPress. Okay, that's how I'm going to teach you to do it. WordPress is 100% free, and you can build this on your Bluehost hosting. Okay, so you build your website within WordPress, which is, it looks like this. So once you sign up for your hosting platform, which is this right here, then it's going to take you to the actual WordPress backend, which I'll show you inside of the course. Okay, so inside of here, I'm going to show you how to actually build the website in step number 4. Okay, I'm going to show you what theme to use. I'm going to show you which hosting platform, everything. Okay, if you need even more, a step-by-step, I do have a blog that I wrote for you guys if you guys need even more in depth on how to build a blog. Okay, so I have a video for you guys, any step-by-step blog on how you can do this as well. Okay, this is all going to be for you guys absolutely free, okay, as part of the course. Okay, I want to give you guys as much information as you need. Okay, so the next step, once we build the course, once we build the website, is to start building or start designing our logo. Okay, having a logo is important. I mean, this is not like the most important thing. The most important thing is the the content within that, and then your branding comes next. But it's good to have a logo. Okay, so in step number 5, I show you how you can go to Fiverr.com and how you can hire someone to do a logo for you for like $5. Okay, so it'll if you click this link here, it'll take you to this website, and then you can just literally just type in logo here. And you can pay someone $5, $10, whatever you want to pay to design a logo. This guy will do it here for $5. Okay, super simple. And then it'll look like something like this. If I go to my website here, let me just go to my website. The logo is basically the main brand, right? Whatever your brand's about, right? So that's going to be, in my case, it's going to be this symbol here. Okay, that's my logo here. So I wouldn't put too much time into this, guys. The most important thing right now is the content. Okay, and that's where I'm going to get to here in a little bit. Okay, so step number 6. Before we get to the content, is we need to have an affiliate program and an affiliate offer. Okay, if we don't have an affiliate program or an offer, then we're not going to have anything to write about, right? We're not going to have content to write about if we don't know what type of affiliate program we want to promote. Now, I want to make this course for any niche possible. Okay, so I give you guys the first video here is I talk about the 9 best affiliate programs to join. Okay, inside of here I talk about Clickbank, I talk about Commission Junction, I talk about why you would want to join certain programs over others. Okay, now I go into depth on how this works, and how whatever niche you're in and how you can do this, right? So for example, if you're in the makeup niche, you might want to go to like ShareASale and find like a makeup brand that works with ShareASale. Okay, so I go into that in detail inside of this video. Okay, and I go into like every single network that I recommend that you can get started with. Okay, now if you're in the make money online niche, if you want to do affiliate marketing, like if you want to do what I'm doing, teach my niche, then I give you guys 3 choices. Okay, the first choice is ClickFunnels. I talk about why I recommend ClickFunnels. This is one of my favorite programs to promote because you get monthly recurring revenue, and that's basically, if someone signs up for them, you're going to get paid passively forever. Okay, so this is one of my favorite programs to promote. If you're in the high ticket niche, guys, I highly recommend Legendary Marketer. This is one program that has made me a lot of money, guys. So I want to help you guys get started with Legendary Marketer if you want to do high ticket, right? Anything $2,000, $10,000 and above. That's if you want to do high ticket, that's what I recommend. So Legendary Marketer is a great choice. Okay, that's my second choice here. And then the third choice is I talk about Clickbank. Okay, I talk about Clickbank because this is one of the best affiliate networks for beginners, because you can literally go on Clickbank, choose an offer, and start promoting it. Okay, so let me show you how it looks inside of Clickbank so you can start promoting an item inside of Clickbank here. Okay, so now that we're in Clickbank, guys, if you go to the marketplace, so obviously you have to have an account with Clickbank, which is super easy to do, and it's free to do that. Once you're inside of here, just go to marketplace and you can choose any categories that you want, right? So for example, if you want to do, let's just say green products or e-business or e-cooking, or you can do home and garden, right? Let's do home and garden. There's Ted's Woodworking, okay? This is what I like to do, and I go deep into this, guys, in the actual course here. So if you click this video, I talk about how to choose the right Clickbank products. But for a review, if you haven't watched that yet, just go to you can go to Gravity and see which products are worth it, they're actually making money for affiliates right now. You can go to this and start promoting this product here. Okay, so Clickbank's a great place for beginners if you're looking for products to promote. Okay, so I go deep into that in the actual video. All right. Now the next step is to choose the product and get your affiliate links, right? This is pretty easy, pretty standard, but if you've never done it before, I just want to explain real quick. So let's just say you want to promote Ted's Woodworking. You would just hit promote here, and then you would grab your affiliate link, right? So you would enter your name here, and then you would grab your link. Okay, this is your link here. So if someone clicks this link and they buy, then you get paid. Okay, this is really important because you need to have this link within your post, right? So for example, if I go to one of my blogs here, you'll see that I have links sprinkled out through all my blogs, right? So for example, if I go to this ClickFunnels for real estate, it'll pull up the blog, but within the blog, I have links that go to the products I promote, right? In this case, I go to ClickFunnels, right? So if I go here, there's this link here, get a 14-day free trial. If someone clicks this link here, it's going to go to this trial page where someone buys here. I get paid. You can see I have my affiliate link here at the top. And then I also have a subdomain link where basically it tells me where that came from, right? Because I'll have multiple articles. This one, it says it came from this real estate blog. So I show you exactly how to do that as well, okay? That's really important. As you get bigger, you know what type of content you need to produce, as you get bigger, as you start making more money, okay? So it's really important that you understand how to grab those links, and then you can move forward, okay? So this is different with every affiliate program. It's pretty easy to do though. Once you get your links, all you gotta do is put it within your blogs and your content, which I'll show you how to do here in a little bit, okay? Okay, so let's go to the next step here, guys, is to actually create your content, right? This is the most important part when starting your affiliate marketing business, okay? I have some examples here on how it needs to look, but if you watch this video, I show you how to create your content, okay? This is really important, guys. If you don't know how to create content, you're not gonna make money as an affiliate marketer. The number one thing that you need to learn is how to create content and how to find content that people are gonna find, that they're gonna wanna read, and then they're gonna click your links and buy, okay? So I show you how to do that inside of this video, but just to recap, the way I do it is that I write content. So for example here, ClickFunnels for real estate. So if I go to edit here, it's going to show you how I'm going to show you how I do this real quick. Okay, so for example, this is the title, the keyword, which I'll show you guys. I go in depth on how to do this inside of the course. Okay, this is just an overview. Okay, I just want to let you know that. Okay, this is the title, and here I have the actual content. I show you how to add pictures, but the most important thing is I show you how to add these links here, right? So this link here, I show you how to add that. You could even bold it if you want to kind of make it stand out. You can make it italicized. You can underline it. Whatever you need to do to be able to show it, okay? So now that we have our content, then we want to add our affiliate links, right? So remember I showed you how to do that. In this case, let's just say Clickbank. We want to use this link here. Copy that, and let's just say this is the link we want to make clickable. Then you just hit this link here. Paste that in there, and then now it's a clickable link, okay? Obviously, I'm not going to do it for this product, but that's how you do it, okay? That's basically what you do. You can start adding your links within your content, and that's how you get money, guys. People follow your content, they'll read it, and then they'll go to your recommendations. It's super, super simple, guys. But what I want you to understand is content is the most important thing with this business, okay? You have to write content. If you don't write content, you're not going to do well, okay? I don't care how pretty your website looks. It really doesn't matter if people aren't finding your stuff, okay? So I show you how to do that within that module here, okay, which is module number 8, okay? Okay, step number 9 is probably one of the most important things besides content is we need to get traffic to that content, right? So I show you how to do that in step number 9. And basically, I show you how to do it with keyword research, right? I show you how to find keywords that people are actually searching for and that people are going to find you right away, okay? So I show you how to do it, a fast way to do this inside this module here. Basically, I teach you how to do it using a website called Answer the Public. It's basically a website that spits out keywords for you, and you can start writing content on these keywords, okay? So if you go here, let's just say you want to do something on ClickFunnels. It's going to give you a ton of options, a ton of ways, a ton of keywords that you can write about, okay? Now, I do show you how you can outsource all this, guys. There's a place where I go to iWriter.com, and I actually hire people to write the content for me if you don't want to write it, okay? So I show you how to do that within this module as well. And then, guys, this is one of the gold mines within this course is this module here. This is a bonus module that I did for you guys. I literally show you how to get fast traffic using Pinterest, okay? Pinterest has been one of my favorite ways to get traffic. Let me make sure I'm sharing my screen here, guys. Give me one second. Okay, here we go. So I'm not sure where it showed there, but basically in this area here, I show you how to get traffic using Pinterest. Okay, this is one of my favorite modules, guys. Pinterest has been amazing.